Welcome back to the deep dive. Today we're going to get into something you can literally find on the shelf at a gas station.
Right next to the energy drinks and the snacks.
Exactly. We're doing a deep dive into these psychoactive mushroom gummies, and we're really going to zero in on one brand in particular, Shrumfuzed.
It's just such a contradiction, You look at the package.
It looks so professional.
Totally. It has the child-resistant top, the tamper-evident seal. It just screams safe and like pharmaceutical grade.
But the reality is this total Wild West, a free-for-all, as some of the experts we read call it, because the FDA hasn't really decided what this stuff is.
Is it food? A drug? Is it a supplement?
Nobody seems to know, and that's where you, the consumer, are exposed to all the risk. You really have to look past that slick branding.
So let's talk about the product itself. These are 10-count packs. They sell for about $40.
And the big claim is this 800 milligram proprietary blend per gummy.
Right, for things like mental clarity and euphoria.
And if you look at the label, you'll see things like lion's mane, reishi, cordyceps.
Oh yeah, all the legitimate functional mushrooms, things that are actually recognized as nootropics.
Which is smart from a marketing perspective.
It's very smart. But let's be real, if those mushrooms were causing the euphoria, there'd be no need for it to be a secret blend.
Right.
To us, those listed mushrooms look like a kind of legal decoy, a wellness shield, while the unlisted compounds are doing all the heavy lifting.
So let's pivot to that, the undisclosed part, the tryptamine blend. Why is that so significant?
Well, tryptamines are a whole chemical family. Serotonin, which your brain needs, is a tryptamine. But so are highly controlled psychoactive compounds.
Like Schedule I psychedelics.
Exactly, like DMT. And because the blend is proprietary, the company has absolutely zero requirement to tell you which specific tryptamines are inside, or how much.
So it could be anything from a harmless supplement to
A potent, brand-new synthetic molecule designed specifically to be a quote-unquote legal alternative to LSD.
Which is why medical toxicologists are calling consumers unpaid beta testers.
Precisely. You're experimenting with unverified substances at completely unverified doses.
And this all exists because of this huge regulatory blind spot. I mean, we all saw what happened with the FDA action on Amanita muscaria.
We did, yeah, back
Yeah.
in December 2024. But that ban only came after more than 70 people were hospitalized.
70. Now, Shrumfuzed doesn't use Amanita, but it's operating in the exact same legal void.
The Amanita crisis is the warning sign. It shows that enforcement only happens after there's a disaster. These tryptamine products are just next in line.
And that danger is so clear when you look at the user reports, which are just all over the map.
Completely. We've seen reports where someone takes one gummy and feels a mild euphoric body buzz, which, fits the marketing.
But then someone else takes 3 gummies.
And reports, and this is a direct quote, tripping balls for 6 hours.
And the company almost admits it. I mean, their own dosing guide says that taking 6 to 10 gummies,
Can make you watch the world melt. That doesn't sound like a focus and memory supplement, does it?
not at all. The marketing promises you control, but the dosing guide basically acknowledges it can be chaos.
And there is zero independent verification. None. We don't know the molecules. We don't know the safety profiles at these high doses. It's an unacceptable risk.
So what does this all mean for you? You have this pharmaceutical-grade package promising safety
But you're getting gas station level oversight.
for a highly potent, completely unverified psychoactive compound. The wellness claim is just a shield for the hidden chemical risk.
So the final thought we really want to leave you with is this. If the FDA can't even properly categorize or test these rapidly evolving synthetic compounds, what are the broader implications? What does it mean when we allow companies to self-regulate substances that can produce effects just like a Schedule I drug, simply by changing one molecule and keeping it proprietary?
It's a massive loophole.
A loophole that demands immediate clarity.